constrained by love. See, have you ever noticed that the strongest force in life is not fear, guilt, or pressure, but love? You see that the Apostle Paul understood this when he wrote, "For the love of Christ constraineth us," 2 Corinthians 5:14. See, the word constrain means to compel, to control, or to hold together. Paul is saying, the love of Jesus is what drives my life. Think about it. When someone truly loves you and sacrifices everything for you, it changes you. You don't respond because you have to, but you respond because love awakens gratitude. See, Paul continues by saying, if one died for all, then we're all dead. See, humanity was spiritually lost. We could not save ourselves, but Jesus stepped into our place and died for every person. See, friends, the cross tells us two things. First, one condition was worse than we thought. We were dead in sin. Second, God's love is greater than we imagine. See, Christ died for us anyway, and that love changes everything. We don't obey God to earn His acceptance. We obey because we already have His love. See, we don't serve others to gain recognition. We serve because Jesus first served us. Friends, we don't live for ourselves anymore because someone gave His life for you and for me. See, in a world driven by fear, competition, and selfish ambition, God offers a different motivation, which is love. And perhaps the greatest question we can ask ourselves today is, what is controlling my life? Is it fear? Is it pride? Or is it success or the love of Christ? Because when we truly understand how much Jesus loves us, His love becomes the most powerful force in our lives. And love, not fear, is what transforms the heart. God bless.